Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable allow photo providers to use your photos in maps on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on maps. Next, scroll down to the bottom, and in here we go to the photo use section and tap on allow photo providers to use your photos. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on, or you can switch it off. It says here allow companies that provide photos to maps to use the photos that you add to maps in their own products and services. Photos include their location but not your identity. If you turn this off, photo providers may no longer use your photos, but this may take a few days to apply. So if you don't want your photo to be used by other providers, then make sure this is turned off. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.